Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna go over something that you can do to protect your home, have a blessed home, have a healthy home. All you're gonna need is one thing: parchment paper. That's it. And I'm sure you already got it. So come on, let's get to work. The first psalm you can use is Psalm 12. This is to protect your home. All you're going to want to do is just copy Psalm 12 on a piece of parchment paper and place it over your front door, and no evil will be able to come in your home. Okay. And also, you want to take it a step further, put some regular table salt under your mat in the front, or put some red brick dust down. They can't cross it. Next is 18, Psalm 18. You can use this to protect your home. All you're going to want to do is just copy verse 2 on parchment paper and place it above the inside of your front door. So not on the outside, but put it on the inside of your front doorway. And that's for safety. It's also good for burglars, so they can't enter, but that's a great one for safety. Okay. The next one is 29. You can use this to purify your home. This one requires you to do a little bit more, but you're still just going to need parchment paper. On one side of the parchment paper, you're just going to want to write verse 4 and 10. And on the other side, you will write, "May it ever be so, O Lord my God," as many times as that's needed to cover the paper. And you can place that in a safe place in your home. And that's another good one to keep your home safe. You can place it behind a picture that's hanging on the wall, under your couch, or just anywhere that you're safe. You don't care if it's seen, just place it wherever. So that's that one. The next one is Psalm 108. Okay. And with this one, this is just to have a blessed home. You just copy Psalm 108 and attach it to your door. The outside of the entranceway. Have a blessed home, quick and easy. And the next one is 128, to have a healthy home. Again, you're gonna oh yeah, and with 108, you don't have to do that one on parchment paper. You can do it on regular paper. But if you're led to do 108 on parchment paper, you can, but you don't have to for that one. All right, for 128, to have a healthy home. Oh, sorry, y'all. Okay, to have a healthy home, you're just going to want to write Psalm 128 on parchment paper and just place it above your entrance door. And the home will be peaceful. Peaceful, and that's all. I hope y'all find these helpful. Apply these to your life. Go ahead and write on that parchment paper. Get it over your door, so you can start having a healthy home, a blessed home, peace in your home. And I am going to do a part 2, just over gaining peace in your home. So be on the lookout for that. And until next time, y'all stay blessed. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you never miss this spiritual game, okay? And until next time, y'all stay blessed and highly favored.